Hello, Dr. Mini PG, Specialist Gynecologist, Al Rukan Medical Center, Ajman. Today we can discuss about the thyroid problems in ladies. Thyroid is a gland in front of the neck. It secretes T3, T4 hormones, and these hormones act on various parts of the body. This thyroid gland is under control of pituitary gland and hypothalamus gland. From pituitary gland, thyroid stimulating hormone is secreted, and from hypothalamus, thyroid regulatory hormone is secreted. So all the hormones should be in balance to have a well maintained thyroid hormones. In sometimes thyroid hormone secreted by the thyroid gland will be low. That condition is called hypothyroidism. In that case, the thyroid hormones T3 and T4 will be low, and TSH, the thyroid stimulating hormone, will be high. This condition is hypothyroidism. This hypothyroidism can cause symptoms like constipation, weight gain, irregular menstruation, sometimes amenorrhea, that period is not coming regularly, sometimes heavy bleeding, menorrhagia, and acne problem, constipation, depression, mood changes. All that can be due to hypothyroidism. It can lead to infertility issues, early miscarriages also. Hyperthyroidism is the condition. Thyroid hormone is secreted in higher quantities. In that case, T3, T4 level will be high and thyroid stimulating hormone will be low. This can cause symptoms like weight loss, diarrhea, irritability, skin changes. All this can be caused due to hyperthyroidism. This is the two hormonal issues in thyroid gland. Sometimes this gland can get enlarged, and that is called goiter. Sometimes this thyroid can have small nodules. This is thyroid nodules. So if you are having any problem of thyroid, it should be evaluated and treated. This thyroid hypothyroidism is the most common condition, and this